Brylcreem. This is a product that goes way back to 1928. I can still remember TV ads from the 70s where they would say things like, "A little dab will do ya." That's Brylcreem. And depending on your hair length, that could be very true. I had a hard time pinning down what the scent of Brylcreem was. I went to the internet and did a few searches, but the back and forth gave a few notes which I didn't really agree with, but I could say there's probably some lily in here and other florals and something bitter underneath it, maybe labdanum. The whole is light to medium light, which is just fine for my hair on most days. The hair feels soft. It's got a little bit of a mineral oil feel to it depending on how much you use, but unless you're looking for it, you probably won't notice. There, again, going back to the odor, it's strong in the tube, but once you put it on your hair, it's fairly mild, and after about an hour I don't notice it. But I find that I like the odor, and even bought an aftershave that is scented to be an equivalent of it. I enjoy Brylcreem a lot. It has a permanent place in my hair groom rotation. What do you think of it? Is it just an interesting nostalgic experience for you, or is it a practical grooming aid? Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.